Welcome to my next session. Today we are going to see about the transformation techniques, which includes cleaning, filtering, deduplication and others. And these are the few methods used in the transformation techniques, like performing data deduplication, replacing values, handling missing data, filling missing values, backward and forward filling, mathematical operations, and so first we will see the performing data deduplication. So now let's consider a simple data frame as follows. So considering one data frame which contains a looping into 3 means, so there will be 3 looping will be repeated, and then functions is mentioned as 4. So 4 functions will be mentioned. This is just a sample record, and the column 2 consists of the values like 10, 10, 22, 23, and this is the input given. So for this we are going to identify the duplication value. So it will identify, so in the example looping is duplicated, looping 10, looping 10, and also function 23 is repeated. So whenever the values are duplicated, it will be printing the output as true. So first time it is not duplicated, so false will be present, and second time when it comes looping 10 is repeated, so true will be printed. So this is the identification of the duplication, and now it will replace the duplication values, it will drop the duplication values using a drop duplicate method. So the duplicated values, whichever it is the output is given as true, will be dropped out. Next, so this is the final output where the duplicated values are removed. And now replacing values. Now after duplication, so that is one segment, and now the value should be replaced. So for that we are we are just assigning a data frame like replace frame, and we are assigning few values also, and this is the given first initial output. And now we are using the replace function. So replace frame dot replace to replace, so which value to be replaced, that is given, like minus 786 comma 0 will be replaced by the NAND2. So the value will be replaced and printed. And next method is data cleaning. So this is very important and useful method used in the EDA. So in the data cleaning there are a few types, like cleaning empty cells, wrong format, wrong data and duplicates. So these things will be cleaned and the data will be it will be in a good format. So first, cleaning empty cell. So some data set is imported or values are initialized, and for that we are going to find if there is any empty values are present or not. For that it is the empty cells will be identified, and drop command is used to find the empty cell and drop the values. Okay, so for that we are using the df.drop na in place equal to true. So this is the cleaning empty cells, and after cleaning it, after removing the empty cell, it has to replace or fill that empty cell with some values. For that we are using the fill na, and which value to be replaced, like 130 comma in place equal to true. So that will be filled in the place. You can see 22, 45, 130 is filled there. And next, cleaning the wrong format. Now it will identify if there is any wrong format. For example, in the date, so it will be generally displayed like date, month and year, and if there is some different format is present, so it will give the result as NAT. So this is the cleaning wrong format. And cleaning wrong data. So there are if any wrong data is present, okay, so instead of numbers, string value is present, or instead of string, number value is present, means it will remove that and it will replace the values. So that is the wrong data cleaning. So handling missing data. So missing data also can be handled in the data cleaning method. So if there is a missing value, NaN value is used, which indicates there is no value specified. Okay. And then, so these are the benefits of data transformation. It promotes between several applications, and main reason for creating a similar format and structure in the data set is it becomes compatible with other systems. So it will be very useful for a large data set, because in the large data set identifying the missing value and wrong format is very difficult. So at that time this data cleaning method is used abnormally. Okay. By this